What if one simple movement could help restore the strength, balance, and confidence you thought were gone after 60? From this age onward, the body naturally loses about 1% of its muscle mass each year if nothing is done. That decline can quietly take away something precious: your independence. One bad fall can change everything. But science shows a small, focused routine of just 5 bodyweight exercises can slow, stop, and even reverse that loss. Welcome to Health Scholar, where we share simple, proven ways to keep your body strong and independent for years to come. And it starts with something you already do every day: standing up from a chair. The chair-assisted squat is more than a way to get upright. It's a direct test of functional strength. It works the quadriceps and glutes, muscles that keep you steady while walking, climbing stairs, or getting out of a car. Done slowly, it engages fast-twitch fibers that help prevent falls. Just a few sets daily can improve mobility and stability within weeks. Next is the glute bridge, a joint-friendly way to strengthen the hips, lower back, and deep core. These areas are key for posture and balance, yet often weaken with age, leading to pain and instability. Raising the hips from a lying position not only builds strength, but also relieves spinal pressure. Next is the side plank. Targets the obliques, which control lateral balance and protect against sideways falls. Holding the body in a straight line on one forearm strengthens stabilizers without compressing the spine, improving posture and coordination. Next is lateral leg raises. Focus on the gluteus medius, the muscle that steadies the pelvis with every step. Weakness here can cause hip drop, knee strain, and poor balance. Strengthening it improves gait and reduces fall risk. Finally, child's pose offers restoration. This gentle forward fold stretches the spine, hips, and shoulders, relieves tension, and promotes mindful breathing. It restores flexibility, reduces stress, and supports recovery after strength work. According to the CDC, 1 in 4 adults over 65 falls each year, but a consistent program like this can reduce that risk by up to 30% in 3 months. You don't need a gym or expensive gear, just a chair, a small space, and the will to move daily. Start slowly, listen to your body, and stay consistent. The goal isn't perfection, but progress, building a body that feels strong, steady, and ready for the life you want to live.